If you're looking for good CRM software, then you are in the right place. Today we're having a look at Copper CRM. We're also having a look at Pipedrive, and we want to know what features they have, what their drawbacks are, and which one you should be using. So without further ado, let us dive into them. So let's jump straight into Copper CRM. First of all, I want to discuss their Google Workspace integration. So Copper CRM is actually designed to integrate with Google Workspace. This can provide a familiar interface for anybody that's accustomed to Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar, or any other Google products. The synergy allows for streamlined communications and data management without switching between different platforms. Also, with Copper, you can enjoy automated data entry that helps reduce manual labor. The software captures emails, meetings, and other interactions automatically, ensuring that your CRM is always up to date and accurate. You also get built-in communication tools. So Copper actually offers communication tools directly within their platform, allowing you and your team to collaborate and communicate without leaving the CRM. This feature fosters teamwork and minimizes miscommunication among sales representatives. You can also customize your pipelines. So you can tailor sales pipelines to match your unique sales processes within Copper. And this flexibility really allows for better tracking of your leads and your opportunities, which will overall enhance your sales effectiveness. Copper also provides fantastic reporting tools that facilitate in-depth analysis of sales performance. These insights enable businesses to make data-driven decisions and refine their sales strategies. The platform also includes relationship management features that help people understand their interactions with clients. This focuses on relationships, and it can really lead to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's have a look at one or two of the drawbacks. So Copper CRM does have advanced features, and it comes at a premium price. This may not be suitable for any small business or anybody with a limited budget. The investment might be justified for larger organizations, but smaller teams may find it a little bit challenging to allocate funds for this CRM. Another thing is that Copper CRM is a very steep learning curve. So new users might encounter a lot of difficulty trying to navigate through all of its features and all of its integrations that it offers. And this could lead to a longer onboarding process and potentially be quite frustrating for teams that are not well versed in CRM software. Let's jump into Pipedrive now. So Pipedrive is praised for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it really easy for new users to navigate. This ease of use enhances team productivity by reducing the time that is spent on training. The visual sales pipeline in Pipedrive also allows users to track deals through various stages at a glance. This clear visualization aids in identifying bottlenecks and prioritizing sales activities effectively. Pipedrive also offers fantastic email integration capabilities, which allows you to sync your email accounts within the CRM. This feature simplifies communication and keeps all correspondence in one centralized place. You can also set activity reminders to ensure they follow up on leads and deals in a timely manner. This proactive approach helps maintain engagement with potential clients and really boosts sales opportunities. Pipedrive also includes sales forecast tools that provide insights into expected revenue based on your current deals. The feature really helps businesses plan financially for their future with better accuracy. Pipedrive also has a mobile app which enables you to manage your sales activities on the go wherever you are. The flexibility is particularly beneficial for sales teams that frequently travel or have to meet clients off-site. Let's have a look at one or two of their drawbacks. So while Pipedrive does offer essential features, some users have found that it lacks advanced customization options compared to, of course, some of its competitors. This limitation may hinder businesses with sort of more unique workflow requirements. Also, some of the integrations within Pipedrive may necessitate the use of third-party tools, which can complicate your setup process and just be more time-consuming. So if you are looking for a good CRM, one of these two options really are fantastic. It just really comes down to which one you prefer and which one actually works in a real life scenario. So the takeaway here is to go and use both of them and see which one actually works. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time.